6 cybersecurity trends that will impact businesses in 2023. 2022 has taught businesses anything, it is that efficient information management and cybersecurity are increasingly crucial for commercial success. The news has been flooded with reports of data breaches and attacks brought on by inadequate, ambiguous, or even non-existent information and data security management systems. Laws governing cybersecurity practices, including HIPAA in the United States, GDPR in Europe, and the Privacy Act in Australia, are making it clear that organizations must be able to demonstrate information and data security best practices and effective implementation across all aspects of their business. These laws are in response to the rise in cyber threats. So, given where we are right now, what does 2023 actually hold in store for businesses? The information and cybersecurity landscape will be dominated by 6 significant trends in 2023. Let's check out. Trend 1. A privacy-first approach to information security. Trend 2. A global harmonization of information, privacy and data regulation. Trend 3. A passwordless future ahead. Trend 4. The supply chain problem persists. Trend 5. Internet of Things risk landscape intensifies. Trend 6. Creative approaches to managing the cybersecurity skills gap. Thanks for watching the video. For more such information, subscribe to our channel.